This is going to be protonated. Symmetrical. It is converted to OH2. OH2 comes off. You get a positive charge. That is being supported by the migration of the methyl group here with a bond. So you get a positive charge containing OH group. How is the positive charge removed? By the deprotonation. The bond goes over here. CH3, C double bond O, C, C. This is the original CH3. This is the migrated CH3 in the place of OH and CH3. That is called pinacolone. This particular compound was identified as a pinacolone. In general, all of them are called pinacolone. So what is the IUPAC name of pinacolone? 3,3-dimethyl-butanone. First we shall add H plus. Any one of the OH group is going to take up the proton. Write it, write faster. OH here, this is CH3 here, CH3, this is converted to OH2 plus. Now, OH2, because of its good leaving group, it goes further supported by, when you encircle it, you have to encircle with a bond pair. It comes over there. All the rearrangement should take place as 1,2 addition only, 1,2 shift. It goes to the very next carbon atom. It cannot skip one carbon atom, go to the third carbon atom. Now, during which process, there is a speciality of this particular thing. Now, what happens here? The bond is not completely broken before and a bond is formed. A bond is formed simultaneously, the bond with the earlier carbon atom is still there. We have got lots of evidences for this. Now, so it is going to be intramolecular. 1,2 should always be intramolecular. Had it been 1,3 from this carbon atom to this carbon atom, definitely at one particular stage I have to write both my legs. There is no contact with the land over there. Okay. So, it is going to be 1,2 shift. Therefore, look at the arrow mark here and write it, CH3. Now, it has migrated, OH here, and this is going to be, this is the newly CH3 which has come from the neighboring carbon atom. How do you remove? You can explain it in two ways. Add water, protonate it, gem diols undergo dehydration, that is also one way, and another one is deprotonate it. This sigma bond comes here as a double bond. So, this is removed. Hydrogen without a bond pair, H plus. So, what is going to be the product? CH3 C double bond O, CH3 C double bond O. Okay. Having mentioned this, you have finished this? I will give you different options now. I am going to explain to you important concept known as migratory aptitude. Ability for a mig group, if you have got different groups, which of these two different groups attached to the same carbon atom is going to migrate. And to account for this, let me take a phenyl, OH, C, phenyl, OH and CH3. The first step, this is going to be protonated. Okay. When it is protonated, it is going to come out. There are two groups here, methyl and phenyl. I prefer a phenyl group to migrate, because in that ability to migrate, I am going to explain to you, I have reasons also. The phenyl group has got a greater migratory aptitude than alkyl groups, than any alkyl group. Aryl groups have got greater migratory aptitude than alkyl groups. Therefore, phenyl group prefers to migrate. Therefore, what have we got now? You just look at the migration here. So, it should be, and finally, you have CH3, C, OH. This has got a plus here, it's got a phenyl. One more phenyl group has come over here. And how do you remove the positive charge? By deprotonation. So, the final product is going to be this. I can write the final product. Look at this, CH3, C, double bond O. The phenyl group has migrated here, and the original phenyl. This is going to be 3,3-diphenyl butanone. Red determining step is the both of them, migration as well as removal. It is not the carbocation that is formed separately, and then now we have to take care of that also plus the migration. That is the red determining step. Migration of the group is the red. That is why Had it not been rate determining step, what does it matter if the phenyl group migrates or methyl group migrates? Both of them should be produced at the same rate. And now I am able to get, this is a major product. If methyl is migrated, what should be the product? Tell me, guess. If methyl is migrated, C6H5, C double bond O, C, C6H5, CH3 and CH3. And both of them should be formed in equal amount if that is not the rate determining step. So obviously, the fact that you are able to pin down that this should migrate faster should happen in the rate determining step. You have a group here wants to go, let me take a methyl. A methyl group migrates here. Now, it is converted into OH2. I am writing the transition state. This has not completely gone. Before it is completely sent out of it, it has come over. A positive charge. When this becomes stronger and stronger at one particular stage, this forms a sigma bond, the bond is broken, this also is removed. It is a transition state. Now, instead, I have a phenyl group, any aryl group, and water goes off. Now, I want to shift this. Now, what is the transition state? OH2 plus. I have not put a complete circle here. It is going to be delocalized only along these 5 carbon atoms, positive charge, positive charge. Now, look at this. In this case, the carbon atom, the alkyl group which has migrated, momentarily it has got pentavalency 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This carbon atom of the aryl group has retained a tetravalency. That is explanation number 1. Therefore, this particular transition state is more stable. It is more stable because tetravalency is retained. Since it is more stable, activation energy is less. Therefore, the reaction is faster. This has got pentavalency. It is less stable. Therefore, to form this, we need a higher temperature. Therefore, less readily. Okay. That is one explanation. The second explanation, the positive charge can be stabilized by delocalized by resonance, whereas this has to be delocalized only by hyperconjugative resonance. Between a true resonance and hyperconjugative resonance, we have to give importance to resonance. Therefore, aryl groups migrate. Glycol. Pinacols are glycols. I have phenyl here. I got AR here, I got AR dash here. I will give you AR is paramethoxyphenyl, paramethoxyphenyl. The bond is attached here. AR dash is paranitrophenyl. Paranitrophenyl. If you want, you just keep this group over there. Paranitrophenyl, paramethoxyphenyl, subjected to Pinacol-Pinacolone rearrangement. You have to do 2 things. Which is going to be most stable carbocation, assuming that it forms a carbocation. Carbocation also, stability of carbocation also has to be taken care of. A carbocation, okay, these 2 things are identical, and here paramethoxy group or paranitrophenyl. Which of these 2 groups will stabilize a carbocation? It's got the plus R effect and minus I effect. It's got the minus R effect and minus I effect. Plus R effect because of the lone pair. Plus R effect is electron releasing. So, if a positive charge is formed, it can be stabilized by resonance. So, of these two, this OH group is likely to be protonated and is going to be removed as water. Having decided which hydroxyl group you have to decide, obviously you have to migrate any one of these two groups. Which groups? Tell me whether the alkyl group that migrates behaves as a nucleophile or electrophile or a free radical. They behave as nucleophiles, or of course free radicals I have not proposed, that is ruled out. Do they behave as migrating group behaves as a nucleophile or electrophiles? Nucleophiles, because they are migrating towards electron deficient center. Now you have got phenyl and paranitrophenyl. Which carries rich electron density, phenyl or paranitrophenyl? Phenyl. Phenyl group, paranitrophenyl has already deactivated. The electron density in the benzene ring is going to be less. So when compared to paranitrophenyl, phenyl, which has got greater migratory aptitude? Phenyl group. Therefore, the phenyl group migrates. Now shall we write this straight away the product here? Shall we write straight away the product here? H2O plus H plus, and we have decided to remove this and the phenyl group to migrate here. So this is going to be there, paramethoxyphenyl. The phenyl only is going to be here, C double bond O, and this is connected to paranitrophenyl. I can ask you lot more questions here. The migratory aptitude in this case is going to be phenyl greater than paranitro. I got three groups here. Why don't you arrange them in the decreasing order of migratory aptitude? Among the methoxyphenyl, paramethoxyphenyl, paranitrophenyl and phenyl.